Welcome back to our channel. Here's some interesting facts about HDD and SSD. HDDs, hard disk drives, and SSDs, solid-state drives, are both types of computer storage devices. They are used to store data, including the operating system, applications, and user files. However, they differ in the way they store and retrieve data, which affects their performance, durability, and price. HDDs store data on spinning disks, while SSDs use flash memory chips. SSDs are faster and more durable than HDDs, but they are also more expensive. HDDs are cheaper and can store more data, but they are slower and less durable. The choice between an HDD and an SSD depends on the user's specific needs, budget, and priorities. Here are 10 interesting facts comparing hard drives and solid-state drives. SSDs. Hard drives have been around since the 1950s, while SSDs were introduced in the 1990s. Hard drives store data on spinning disks, while SSDs use flash memory chips to store data. Hard drives are slower than SSDs because they rely on physical read-write heads that need to move around to access data, while SSDs can access data almost instantly. Hard drives are more prone to mechanical failures and data loss, while SSDs are more durable and reliable. Hard drives can store much more data than SSDs, with the largest hard drives capable of storing up to 20 terabytes of data, while the largest SSDs currently available can store up to 30 terabytes of data. Hard drives are generally cheaper than SSDs, with the price per gigabyte being significantly lower. Hard drives have been used in most computers for decades, while SSDs have only recently become more popular due to their performance advantages. Hard drives require more power to operate than SSDs, making them less efficient in terms of energy consumption. Hard drives make more noise than SSDs because of the spinning disks and moving read-write heads, while SSDs are silent. Hard drives are heavier and bulkier than SSDs, making them less suitable for laptops and other portable devices. SSDs are much lighter and more compact, making them ideal for mobile devices. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and do subscribe.